should not be equal to 4 because most of the people get answered 4. But I have mentioned that 4 should not be answered. 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Here is also 4 minus 6, which will be equal to minus 2. Minus times minus it will be equal to plus. And 2 times 2, it will be equal to 4. And I have already mentioned that 4 should not be our answer, but our answer is 4. So there is a big mistake that we have made, and our answer is 4. Now overcome that mistake and solve the question again according to order of operation, which is known as Pemdas rule. We have basically three operation. Here is multiplication, here is subtraction, and here is also subtraction. So parenthesis is missing, exponent is missing. Multiplication should be our preference. So 4 minus 6 times 4 will be equal to 24. And here is minus 6. Now we have to move from left to right, and 4 minus 24 will be equal to minus 20. And here is minus 6, which will become minus 26, which will be considered as correct answer for this PEMDAS-based activity. Thank you for your big support.